Looking for a home that gives you space, privacy, and everyday convenience without overstretching your budget? Welcome to 339 Jurong East Avenue 1, a 4 AHTB, offering 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 104 square meters of comfortable living space. This is a corner flat, so you get that extra sense of privacy and quietness, something many families really appreciate after a long day. The home is bright, airy, and well maintained, making it a sensible entry point for families who want a practical home in a well-connected Jurong location. Now, before we step into the rooms, let's first understand how the layout flows. Because a good floor plan is what makes daily living feel easy, practical, and comfortable for the whole family. The layout here is very efficient and easy to understand. As you enter, the home opens into a spacious living area. The layout is rectangular, which makes furniture placement very straightforward. The kitchen and dining area sits neatly on one side of the home, giving you a clear separation between cooking, dining, and living. This is useful for families who prefer a more organized flow, especially when cooking is done regularly. All 3 bedrooms are positioned towards the inner part of the home, giving the sleeping area more privacy. The master bedroom comes with its own attached bathroom, while the common bathroom is placed near the kitchen and the common bedrooms, making it convenient for daily use. You also have a storeroom tucked near the bedroom area, which is always useful for storage, household items, luggage, or even as a compact utility space. Overall, the layout is practical, functional, and easy to renovate according to your own lifestyle. Now let's step into the home. The first thing you'll notice is the spacious living area. It feels open, comfortable, and easy to plan. You can place a proper sofa set, coffee table, and TV console, while still keeping good walking space for the family. With light-tone vinyl flooring, a simple feature wall, warm lighting, and a full-height shoe cabinet near the entrance, this living area can be refreshed into a bright and modern space. Moving in, the dining area sits close to the kitchen, making daily meals very convenient. A 4 to 6 seaters dining table can fit comfortably here, and with a simple pendant, light, or built-in bench seating, this corner can feel cozy and practical. The kitchen is long, enclosed, and functional, with good countertop and storage space. For families who cook often, this layout works well. You can keep it simple with new cabinets, a fresh countertop, and light-colored finishes to make the kitchen feel cleaner and brighter. Now moving into the bedrooms, the master bedroom gives you a comfortable private space. It can fit a king-size bed, wardrobe, and still allow good walking space. With its attached bathroom, it gives homeowners that added convenience and privacy. You can keep the room simple and cozy with soft curtains, a clean wardrobe design, and a nice bedhead wall to create a calm and relaxing feel. The second and third bedrooms are both regular and flexible in layout. They can be used as children's rooms, guest rooms, study rooms, or even a home office, depending on your family's needs. Each room can fit a bed, wardrobe, and study table comfortably, giving you good flexibility for both rest and work. The common bathroom is practical and well-sized. Overall, this is a well-maintained and practical home that can be refreshed easily into a bright, modern, and comfortable family space. Pricing-wise, this unit is positioned very attractively. Within around 500 meters, nearby 4-room units with about 55 to 57 years of balance lease have transacted around $500,000 to $542,000. 341 Jurong East Avenue 1 has gone up to around $528,000. 329 Jurong East Avenue 1, around $542,000. 309 Jurong East Street, 32, around $500,000. And 489 Jurong West Avenue 1, around $520,000. So based on location, floor level, layout, and balance lease, our unit at 339 Jurong East Avenue 1, priced between $480,000 to $520,000, gives buyers a very attractive entry price. This is not just about the price, it's a good value buy in a mature Jurong location, with room to renovate to your own taste and plan your future exit better. Now let's talk about the location. This home is located at 339 Jurong East Avenue 1, in a mature and convenient part of Jurong East. Jurong is one of the strongest regional hubs in Singapore, known for its connectivity, amenities, schools, sports facilities, and long-term growth potential. With the Jurong Lake District transformation and the continued development of the West, this location remains attractive for both home seekers and future upgraders. For transport, you have good MRT connectivity around the area. Chinese Garden MRT on the East-West line is within reach. On top of that, future MRT stations like Tengah Park, Tengah Plantation and Bukit Batok West are coming shortly as part of the upcoming Jurong Region line. Once completed, they will give residents even more travel options and strengthen connectivity in this part of Jurong. Bus connectivity is also very convenient. Just beside the block, you have bus stops such as opposite Jurong Polyclinic, opposite Block 311 and Block 490 and many more, making daily travel much easier for both adults and children. For families, the school options nearby are strong. Jurong Primary School is just around 2 minutes walk away, and Princess Elizabeth Primary School is also conveniently nearby. For secondary schools, Jurongville Secondary School and Fuwa Secondary School are both within easy reach of the block. For international school options, Canadian International School, also known as Lakeside Campus, and Dulwich College are both easily accessible, adding a strong layer of appeal for families who are looking at international education options. Daily needs are well covered here. Fair price, cold storage, Sheng Siong, and other grocery options are all within easy reach. For food, Block 347 Jurong East Avenue 1 Hawker Centre is about 5 minutes walk away, with more choices at Jurong East Street 24, Jurong West Street 52, and Taman Jurong Market and Food Centre. For lifestyle and family activities, Jurong East Stadium, the sports facilities and swimming complex are about 4 minutes walk away. Jurong Polyclinic is also just beside the block, around 2 minutes walk away. And for shopping, you have Plantation Plaza, West Mall, Lake West, and Plantation Village Retail Street all within reach, giving you plenty of options for retail, dining, and leisure. With MRT options, buses, schools, supermarkets, hawker food, sports facilities, and healthcare all close by, this location gives families everyday convenience, privacy, and good value in a mature Jurong estate. Over the past 15 years, I've helped many families upgrade, right-size, and build their wealth with peace of mind. If this home at 339 Jurong East Avenue 1 fits what you are looking for, contact Kumar. We will be happy to arrange a viewing and show you the home personally.